On my ass for right now, I'll call you back, my plug calling.
UK yams bana romanticizing your life is important when you feel bene reason. Like for example, my hair is done, my nails are done, I'm going for a massage. Yeah, but what? And already sent feel up areas.
Good. I'm like, I have something to look forward to. I'm looking forward to the spa. Right now I'm tired. I'm literally, but all I'm thinking about is the spa date that you and I are gonna go on. Show me, you're the best. I love you. Press record. Hi, loves. It's the 1st of September. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Guliyema, Gelowo, Utetayo, Embogweni. I'm so late. I'm so late. I don't know how I feel about this scent. It used to be my it's sweet. It's vanilla. That used to be my favorite scent. It's giving spring. It's the only thing about today that's giving spring. It's this because we are band. Look at how cute my nails are. Should I get a ring? Husband, if you're watching, do the right thing. Okay, I'm going out with my best friend. We're going out on a massage lunch date. I don't know how I feel about vlogging this. I just hope it makes it, because I'm gonna regret if I don't vlog this. Yes, I want to be in the moment, but I haven't vlogged in such a long time. The last time I vlogged was like in December. The purpose was to vlog my life for me, and of course you are invited as well. You know, here and there. Let me just go. Even though I'm breaking out in the cute Jenna, it's skincare Sana doesn't care. Enjoy the vlog. Let's go meet my friend and enjoy today. This is my bag for the day. Yeah, as a lady. I hope I'm going to make exception because our first hour is done. You look so gorgeous. Abantu bebhizi izinto zabo. So qola xa siphakathi sisezigawini ezimhlophe. Ndishokeli yama impilo yami yo. We're about to go on a massage. They seem like they're too far away from me. Kanti nazi zilapha phambi. Okay, every day Sana. Sana Sandy Glower. Oh my god. Orchard Day Spa. Oh. Thank you. I said, Hadri Mali.
Fill it up.
Let's go get some food. Oh, drained us. Inain din bacon. Lendo sana ila.
Oh. Girl, take the potatoes. Oh, I thought you was toasting the plate.
We hunger and deny.
And then we never.
Let's go home, my friend.